In this video, you will learn 3 things. Setting up environment. First, program in JavaScript. Data types and variables. To start working with JavaScript, you need 2 most important things. One is browser, and second is code editor. Browser can be any you can use. Google Chrome or Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. You also need code editors. Some of the code editors are Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom. I personally prefer VS Code for code editing because VS Code is a cross-platform code editor that can easily run on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Moreover, with support for hundreds of languages. VS Code helps you be instantly productive with syntax highlighting, bracket matching, auto-indentation, box selection, snippets, and many more such features. Although other code editors also have their own features, but it's all about your personal choice, so you can go with whatever code editor you want. So, to download VS Code, I have added the link in the description box. Or what you have to do is go to Google and search for VS Code download. You will see very first option for the download link. Click on it, you will be redirected to the official site. From here, you can download VS Code according to your OS. And after downloading, you can simply click on the downloaded exe file and installation will start. Here you simply need to follow the steps shown by the installed. I have already installed VS Code in my system, so I will not install it. Now we have to install Node.js first. Node is a runtime environment that executes JavaScript code. To install Node.js, simply type Node.js download in Google search engine. Then it will display the search for download Node.js. Click on this first link. Now here you have to download according to your system configuration. At the top, it will display download link according to your configuration. So simply, you can click on above link to download compatible version. Click on this link. It will download the exe file. It will take very less time to download that exe file, which you can find in downloads. Look, it is my exe file, to install Node.js. I will not install this because Node.js is already installed in my system. If you want to check the already installed version, then simply you can follow the steps. Type cmd in search box. Click on command prompt. Then type a command node v. Look, it will display the already installed version of Node.js. In my case, it is 19.8.1. We will start with our very first program in JavaScript. Firstly, open Visual Studio Code and create new project. In this, add new file, name it first.html. A blank file will open. Now simply type exclamation sign and press tab. VS Code will automatically create dummy HTML snippet for you. Well, this is one of the best feature of VS Code. Its feature is called as emits. Without taking time, we will change the title of the HTML page and rename it to first program. Then add script tag inside body tag of HTML page. Inside script tag type console.log, hello world. Once you type this code, save HTML file. Right-click and click on Open with Local Server. It will open your HTML file in web browser in local server. Here you can right-click and click on Inspect Element. Then go to Console option here and check Hello World is typed in console. With this, you will be able to create your first Hello World program. What are variables? In JavaScript, variables are used to store and manage data. They are created using the var, let, or const keyword. Data types. JavaScript is a dynamically typed scripting language. The most recent ECMAScript standard outlines 8 data types, with 7 being primitive, predefined, and 1 classified as complex or non-primitive. We will explain the concept of variables and data types in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.
Hope you like this video. For more such videos, please subscribe, like and comment.